Good day, everyone. Before we start, let us pray. Miss Lugela, please lead the prayer, please. Amen. Before you sit down, please pick up all the pieces of papers and arrange your chairs. Okay, settle down. Let's check your attendance. Astrero. Okay, present. Ringor. Present. Cabiles. Present. So you have perfect attendance, so very good class. Before we proceed to our lesson proper, we will have the speed test, which is what we call Fill Me Up. I will show you problems involving basic arithmetic operations, and you will give the answer, and I will post it here in the cardboard. So let's start. 28 plus 15 is equal to, very good, 13. Second, we have 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Very good. Next, we have 10 less 1 is equal to 9. Very good. Next, 20 less 3 is equal to 17. Next, 100 divided by 4 is equal to 25. Very good. Next, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Next, 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. Very good. Next, 18 times 2 is equal to 36. And last one, 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Very good. So very good class. We were done with our speed test. And based on this cardboard, what words or phrases that has been completed? Miss Eunice, please read. So, thank you, Miss Eunice. And operations on rational numbers is our topic for today. So, class, in your own idea, what is rational numbers? Mr. Paul. Very good, Mr. Paul. Any other idea? No one. So, what is rational numbers? In mathematics, a rational number is defined as a number which is written in the form P over Q, where Q is equal to 0. In other words, the rational number is defined as the ratio of two numbers. For example, is fractions. Here, P is the numerator and Q is denominator. So class, ang ibig sabihin nito is rational numbers are the ratio of two numbers which have denominator and numerator. So Miss Princess, please give example of rational numbers. So thank you, Miss Princess. Mr. Paul. Very good. So, other examples are 6 over 5 and 10 over 7, which is 6 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. There are 4 arithmetic operations on rational numbers. They are, Miss Vanessa, please read. Very good, Miss Vanessa. So our 4 arithmetic operations on rational numbers are addition of rational numbers, subtraction of rational numbers, multiplication of rational numbers, and division of rational numbers. And the process of addition and subtraction of rational numbers can be categorized in 2 ways. They are, Mr. Jefferson, please read. Okay, thank you, Mr. Jefferson. So, the process of addition and subtraction of rational numbers can be categorized in two ways. They are numbers with the same denominators, numbers with different denominators. Proceed to addition of rational numbers with the same denominators. In this case, the denominators of both numbers are the same. So keep the denominators as common and add the numerators of the rational numbers. For example, 2 over 9 plus 3 over 9 is equal to, so what is the denominator of this problem? Very good, 9. They are the same? Of course, they are the same. So let's keep 9 here and add the numerators of the rational numbers. So our numerator is 2 and 3. So let's add 2 and 3. So it is equal to 2 plus 3. Very good. 5 over our denominator, which is 9. So 2 over 9 plus 3 over 9 is equal to 5 over 9. Next is additions of rational numbers with different denominator. Step 1. Mr. Jefferson, please read. Thank you, Mr. Jefferson. Step 1 is take the LCM of the denominator value. Step 2. Miss Vanessa, please read. Thank you, Miss Vanessa. Our step 2 is now find the equivalent fractional value for the given rational numbers by using the LCM value and make the denominators of the two rational numbers are the same. Step 3. Miss Joyce, please read. Thank you, Miss Joyce. Our step 3 is now add the two rational numbers. For example, 4 over 3 plus 5 over 2. We notice that our denominators 3 and 2 are not the same. So, let's take step 1, which is take the LCM of the denominator value. The LCM of 3 and 2 is, very good, 6. Step 2, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Very good. So 4 times 2 plus 6 divided by 2. Very good. 3. So 5 times 3. Then, so step 3, let's simplify. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Very good. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Very good. Over 6. 8 plus 15. 23 over 6. So, 4 over 3 plus 5 over 2 is equal to 23 over 6. Next is subtraction of rational numbers with same denominator. Like in addition, the denominators of both numbers are the same. So, keep the denominators as common and subtract the numerators of the rational numbers. For example, 7 over 3 plus 5 over 3 is equal to, same as in addition, we will keep the denominators, which is 3. Very good. Then, subtract the 7 and 5 as our numerator. So, 7 plus 5 over 3 is equal to 2 over 3. So, 7 over 3 plus 5 over 3 is equal to 2 over 3. Next is subtraction of rational numbers with different denominators. Step 1. Please read Mr. Paul. Thank you, Mr. Paul. So, our step 1 is take the LCM of the denominator value. Step 2. Miss Princess. Very good. Thank you, Miss Princess. Our step 2 is now find the equivalent fractional value for the given rational numbers by using the LCM value and make the denominators of the two rational numbers are the same. Step 3. Mr. Christian. Thank you, Mr. Christian. So our step 3 is now add the two rational numbers. So same pa din sa additions of rational numbers with different denominators. Ang pagkakaiba na lang nila is we will add or subtract. For example, 4/3 less 5/2 is equal to step 1. Take the LCM. So, the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Very good. Step 2. 4/3 less 5/2 is equal to, let's take the LCM of 3 and 2, which is 6. Then, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So, 4 times 2 less 6 divided by 2. 3. Very good. 5 times 3. Step 3. Let's simplify. 4 times 2, 8. Less 5 times 3, 15. Very good. Over 6, which is equal to 8 less 15. So, negative 7 all over 6. Very good. Let's proceed to multiplication of rational numbers. The product of rational numbers is equal to product of numerator over the product of denominator. For example, 6/5 times 4/3 is equal to, it says that product of numerator. So, let's multiply 6 and 4. 6 times 4, 24. Very good. And the product of denominator over the product of denominator. So, 5 times 3, 15. Very good. So, 6/5 times 4/3 is equal to 24/15. Let's proceed to division of rational numbers. Step 1. Please read Miss Eunice. Thank you, Miss Eunice. So, our step 1 is take the reciprocal of the divisor value. Step 2, Miss Joyce. Thank you, Miss Joyce. So, our step 2 is find the product of the numerator and the product of the denominator to get the result. Same as multiplication of rational numbers, right? Then, so let's proceed to example. 6/5 divided by 9/7 is equal to, let's use this step 1. Take the reciprocal of the divisor value. So, our divisor value is 9/7. So, the reciprocal of 9/7 is, very good, 7/9. Step 2. Division of two rational numbers is 6/5 divided by 9/6, which is our problem, is equal to 6/5 times the reciprocal of our divisor value, which is 7/9, is equal to, let's proceed to the multiplication of rational numbers, which is 6 times 7, 42. Very good. So, and over 5 times 9, 45. Very good. So, 6/5 times 7/9 is equal to 42/45, or let's simplify, it's equal to 14/15. So class, we are done with our discussion about operations on rational numbers. So, we will try to solve other examples, and our test 1 is determine whether each of the following is a rational numbers or not. Who want to try number 1? Miss Vanessa, please try. So, very good, Miss Vanessa. 1/2 is a rational number. So, the answer of Miss Vanessa is correct. Number 2, who want to try? Miss Princess, please try. Very good, Miss Miss Princess. So 3 is not a rational number because 3 is a whole number. So very good. Number 3, who wants to try?
No.
Okay, very good. 2/3 is a rational number because it is a fraction. Number 4, who wants to try? Miss Joyce. Again. So very good, Miss Joyce. 7/2 is a rational number because it is a fraction. Number 5, who want to try? Miss Marvey. So very good, Miss Marvey. Your answer is correct because 1 is not a rational number because it is a whole number. Letter B. Perform the following operations. Number 1. 1/16 plus 3/16 is equal to. Who want to solve? Mr. Christian. So very good, Mr. Christian. Your answer is correct. So 1/16 plus 3/16 is equal to 1 plus 3 all over 16, which is equal to 4/16. Then simplify, we have 1/4. Number 2, who want to solve? Mr. Paul. So very good, Mr. Christian. Your answer is correct. 2/7 plus 1/3 is equal to, what is the LCM of 7 and 3? Very good, 21. So 21 divided by 7 is 3. So 2 times 3 plus 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. So plus 1 times 7 is equal to 2 times 3, 6. Plus 1 times 7 is 7/21. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13/21. Number 3, who wants to try? Miss Eunice. So very good, Miss Eunice. Your answer is correct. 1/3 less 1/4 is equal to, the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So we have 1 times 4 less 1 times 3 all over 12, which is equal to 4 less 3/12, which is equal to 1/12. Number 4, who want to solve? Miss Vanessa.
No.
Very good, Miss Vanessa. Your answer is correct. So 2/5 less 1/5, which is the denominators are the same. So we will subtract the numerator, which is 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. Over 5 is equal to 1/5. Very good. Number 5, who want to solve? Miss Princess.
Go.
Very good, Miss Princess. Your answer is correct. So let's multiply the denominators and the numerators. So 3 times 1 over 10 times 3 is equal to 3/30. Then simplify, we have 1/3. Very good. Number 6, who want to try? Miss Lugella. Very good, Miss Lugella. Your answer is correct. 1/7 divided by 2/4 is equal to 1/7 times the reciprocal of 2/4, which is 4/2, is equal to 4/14 or 2/7. So class, any questions or clarifications regarding our discussion? If none, bring out one whole sheet of paper and answer these problems. Activity. Letter A. Determine whether each of the following is rational number or not. It is 5 items. Letter B. Perform the following operations, and it is 6 items. And letter C. Solve the problem, which is 3 people who work full-time are to work together on the project, but their total time on a project is to be equivalent to that of only one person working full-time. If one of the people is budgeted for one half of his time to do the project and a second person for one third of her time, what of the third worker's time should be budgeted to this project? So, you have 10 minutes to answer this, class. Time is up. Pass your papers in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, I have here your papers. And for your assignment, this column is Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3. Each group will create a jingle about the operations on rational numbers, and you will perform it in the class after the given time of preparation. And the criteria for judging will be sent in RGC. That's all for today, class. Goodbye and thank you.